Hello guys, once again you are welcome to this wonderful video, this wonderful tutorial. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing website. You can see how wonderful it looks. Okay, you can see the different plans, you can see the plan and how much you get from it if you invest a certain amount. Okay, you can see the steps on how to register on the platform, what you need to do. You can see the recent investors, and the recent withdrawals. There is none because it's just an installed script. You can see the total user, total deposit, total investment, total withdrawals. You can see the FAQ. Okay, you can see the announcement. You can see the different payment method on this platform: Paystack, MP, to check out, PayPal, Stripe. A lot guys, this script is wonderful. It's just wonderful. Okay, this script is just amazing. Okay, you can come to the user page. Okay, you can see this is the dashboard of the user. This is the dashboard of the customers. You can see the scheme, you can see the schemes. Sorry, my network is a little bit bad. Okay, you can see the schemes. You can choose from any of the schemes that you want. You can see add money, you can see exchange, wallet exchange. You can exchange from the main wallet to, okay, you can exchange from here to here. Okay, then you just put an amount that you want to exchange to. You see how much you'll be charged. Okay, and just do that. You can see this is transaction. Okay, then you can still go back to the dashboard and see it. You can see from here to here. So you can see withdrawals, the withdrawals you have done, and also you can see your rank badge. Okay, this is a withdraw. You can withdraw through any currency that you will set on the platform. You can also see the rank badge. You can also see your referrals. Okay, you can see the rank badge, you can see the referral. Okay, you can just copy the code and share it to your friends. Now this is the backend. As the admin, this is your backend. You can see the admin backend. This is everything here. This is the admin backend. Okay, you can see the statistics, how much have been deposited, and any other thing. You can see the customers, the KYC, the scheme, the managed rule, the managed staff. You can see the transaction, investment, user, automatic gateways, deposit and withdrawal gateways. You can manage the referrals, the user rank, also the settings. Okay, you can also see the settings. Okay, this is the settings page. Okay, you can also go through the settings page. You can see a lot of things. Okay, you can also see the site theme. Okay, you can also see the site themes. You can choose any one you want from this ones here, these available ones. You can choose any one you want. Alright guys, if you want to know how to design this wonderful website, okay, if you want to know how to design this website, let's start installing. I'm going to do through the process. Thank you. First of all, before we start creating our website, you need to register your hosting and domain name. But for now, I'm going to show you how to register your hosting. If you want to register your hosting platform, come to Hostinger, where you can get your cPanel to install your script. Okay, so this is the main page of Hostinger. As you can see, they have different plan here. They have the popular one, the premium one. Okay, and that's the business one, is the popular one. They have the premium one, and they want the cloud. They have the cloud setup. Okay, startup, sorry. And they have 2.99, they have 3.99, and they have 7.99. As you can see down here, this one can hold 25 websites, the other 50, and the last 100. And the capacity, what the website, the cPanel will offer. So this way you can see it. Okay, let's assume we're going to choose this one. Okay, let's just give it a minute. Okay, now the good part about this hosting is they're going to give you plus 3 months free of your initial hosting. Okay, that means if you choose 1 month, I'm not sure if 1 month they will give you free 3 month hosting. No, it doesn't come with it. Just forget about what you see. Only 48 months. That means I will advise people that have that buck to spend, money to spend, to just, you understand, go for this. Then you get an extra an extra 3 months. Okay, so you can see what you're saving and what you're paying. Okay, you're paying $191.52. okay, so once you register, you can just continue and go through the process. The process is not hard. You log in with your email, okay, or you can use your GitHub account to log in. Alright, that's for that. Now let's go back to the cPanel. Okay, this is my cPanel. Okay, once you log into your cPanel, this is not hosting as cPanel. For those that don't know, this for tutorial purposes, so I'm using this one, no Hostinger. My main website are on Hostinger. So once you come to your cPanel, you go to your file manager. Okay, once you come to your file manager, what you need to do is to locate where you want to install that script. Okay, actually this is a script. Okay, this is a script I want to install. But for those that don't know how to install a script, you click on upload, then you click on select a file. Once you click on select a file, you go to your system, you click on the file, it will upload. Once it becomes red, then you just go back. Okay, go back to the main page. That's the place where your domain name is, or your subdomain. So you click on it, then you extract the script. Okay, that's the next thing to do. You extract this script. Now this Hyip Rio has a lot of features, amazing ones that will help you create an amazing website. And the good part of this script is it has 4 themes embedded in it. Anyone you feel like going with, you can just choose that script. Anyone you don't want, just let it go. Okay, so that is one thing about the script. Okay, I love the script because the script is awesome. Then let's reload. You can see, wow, the script is in. So what we need to do now is to go to our domain or our subdomain. So you just click on gurus file, then slash install. You can see it there, install. Just click gurus file slash install. Now you can see all our server requirement is what is okay. They are green, that means it's okay. So for the what's the name, I'll give you the key to put in, the license activation key. Okay, so now we need to create our database name, database user, and password. So you go back again to your main cPanel main page. You click on manage my database bases. Okay, once you come, you click on what you want to create. I want to name it the same gurus file so that I will not forget the database name. Okay, so you create the database name, then you come again, you create the database user. Okay, you put in your password. Okay, put in your password. Okay, so you create a user. Okay, then you go back. Okay, then you add both the user and the database name. Okay, gurus. Okay, then you add the name of all privileges. You click on all privileges. Okay, so since my database my user are the same thing, so I will just copy one. Okay, then just put the database here, then the user here, then let's type in the password. Oh sorry, there's a mistake. Then the database host, you can use this or local host, okay, depending on the one you feel like using. So so let's import database admin setup. Just give it a time. Okay, so now you put in the admin user and the password you want to use. Okay, let's type in. Okay, so submit. Wow, the script has been installed. So let's go to the landing page and let's go to the admin backend. So this is the landing page. Okay, this, you can see the home page, you can see different packages. This is one of the themes in it. Now you can see the packages and you can put the amount and see the profit you get. You can see how it works. Okay, this is how it works. You can see the recent investors and recent withdrawal, people that have done different withdrawals. Okay, you can see FAQ. Okay, the announcement, you can see different payment gateways. Okay, you can also change it to a light mode if you want light mode, you don't want a dark mode. So this is the admin backend. Okay, so you log in. Okay, so what you want to do, you can go to, you can see all customers here. You see all your customers, the active ones. Okay, you can see the active ones, you can see the disabled customers. Okay, you can send email to all your customers, your subjects. You can just send email to them. Then KYC, you can see your pending KYC, rejected KYC, all KYC. And also if you want to create a KYC form, this is where you come to create a KYC form. So you can add. Okay, so let's just quickly do something here. Okay, so this one you do upload, so that the users will upload a file here, then the number here, then the name, first name and last name. Okay, then you can save it. Okay, you can see it has been created. Then manage roles, so you can see there is super admin, there's manager, and there is editor. So you can also add a new role here, so you choose what the privileges you want the person to be able to handle. There are a lot of options here, you can see them. So even you can also manage the staff. Okay, you can also manage the staff here, so you can see only the admin now is the staff. Then to manage the scheme, okay, so you can add, you want people to be making profit daily, 24 hours, weekly. You can also add yearly if you want yearly, like, you understand, like yearly, you understand. Then you know what to do now. You just times how many hours in a year, the total of an hour in a year. So depending on this one, you just type how many in a week, so you times how many hours you have in a year, so you just put it there. So people will be making profits in a year. So the transaction, you can see all the transactions here, the investment, you can see all the plans that people have bought here. Okay, then user profit, you can see users and their profits here. Then automatic gateway, you can see a lot of gateway like I showed you from the beginning. You can see different payment gateway. Even the deposit, you can see automatic deposit. You can input an automatic deposit, you can add it here. Okay, you can add an automatic gateway here, or you just do manual also here. You can do a manual here, add a manual. Okay, put the logo, put the name, put the code, put the currency symbol, dollar to the currency, how much is it as of now, the charges, how many percent will you be charges, the maximum deposit, the minimum and maximum deposit. Then you can also add another field here if you want to add something else. Then you can write your message here down here, then you save. The same thing goes for withdrawal. Okay, you can put an automatic withdrawal if you want. It's the same thing. Okay, you choose automatic the currency that offer automatic. So for Nigerians, you can use Flutterwave. Okay, so you just deposit money inside Flutterwave. If people request for withdrawal, to just automatically pay them through the Flutterwave. So it's just the same process. Then referral. What different kind of referral steps? We have deposit bundle, we have investment bundle, we have profit bounty. So you can increase or decrease the percentage, level 1, level 2, level 3, depending on how many level you want to add is your choice. Okay, so the ranks, user has rank. You can see you have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So depending on how much the person have deposited, the earnings, depending on the earning, that's when the user gets. You can see minimum earning, then depending, you have your random bonus, then the description of the ranks, then the settings. Excuse. So you can change your logo here. Sorry. So you can change your logo here if you want to change your logo. Okay, so change your logo here. To change your logo, so you can also leave the prefix as admin, or you can change it so that people will not be able to log into your website. So the currency type, is it fiat or crypto? You want crypto like Bitcoin and the rest to be your currency type. You can, depending on what you want, or you just want a normal currency. For Nigerians, you can just go to Naira. Let's go to Naira. Then you can choose where you want. You can choose Africa, like for Nigerians, you can choose Africa like Lagos, depending on what you want. Okay, and just go down. Africans, see Lagos. So depending on what you want, okay, referral, level base, depending on the currency, depending on what you want, referral code limit 10. Then the page you want people to, once people come to your website, the page you want people to see first, is it the skin page, is it the home page, is it different pages you can choose from. So the site title itself, so let's just call this gurus files. Okay, so the email, you can change the email, you understand, then you save. So we have other options here, the verification, you can see all the options here, you can just go through them. If you want to disable bonus, different options. Back to home page, I love this, back to top, so you'll not be stressing yourself. Okay, so you can send money limit, how much you want people to be able to send, and the maximum people will be able to send to another account. Then send money charges, how much will you be charging them. Then wallet exchange, people that want to exchange from another wallet to another wallet, is it in currency or in percentage. Then user bonus, referral and sign up bonus, you can do it here. Then daily limits of exchange, you can see do it, sending them. Then withdrawal daily limits, you can set it here. Investment cancel daily limits, how many times somebody can cancel, then you can also save it there. Then we have other things like the email. This email, you can set the email. Okay, you can set your email here. Then you can also the plugin settings, recap. You can see the chatting settings, the Google Analytics and Facebook chatting. Then the SMS. Okay, then the notification. Okay, so let's see. Let's create an email and let's connect it and see. Okay, so you can just create an email here. For those that don't know how to create an email, so you choose the domain name you want. So just this contact. Okay, create the email. Okay, so let's check the email. Okay, so let's open the email. Continue. Let's open the email. So you can see you start receiving emails. Okay, so let's input the details for the email. Okay, this is the name. You call it gurus file. Then okay, so the username, the host will be the email itself. Then the host will be the gurus file. Then the password for the email. Then we are not using this port, we are using this. Okay, oh shit, sorry. And we are using this and SSL. Okay, so let's check if this thing is correct. Once it's sent, so it's correct. You can see test successfully. So this is how to put and create your email at the back end. So the language setting, then the page settings. This is the page setting. If you don't want to see the country, referral code from the registration, things you don't want to see in the registration, you understand, you just remove them here. Then this to manage the theme site, this we have wanted us to come to, and now finally we are here. So these different themes we have for 1, 2, 3, 4 for the website. Anyone you want to choose, anyone want to. I love this particular one, so let's activate it. So this dynamic landing page, that means you can also design another one through WordPress and just upload it here to this website. Then instead of using any of this one, you can also add your own. You can also add your own. That is the meaning. Okay, let's go to the home page and see if anything has changed. Wow, you can see already it has changed. Wow, you can see. You can see. Let's scroll down. Sorry, the whole thing is hooking. You can see. Okay, you can see the whole thing. You can see. Wow, I love this particular one, seriously. Not like to you. Okay, see the go back to the top to take us to the top now. Now it has taken us to the top. Okay, so this if you want to edit this front page, this is what you use. This is what you use. Okay, you can edit it through this place here. Okay, so you can use all these options here. Even pages, you can see all other pages. Okay, you can edit the pages, registration page, all these other pages. Then site nav, then you can see the options. You can also go into the home page and start editing them. Okay, I'm coming. Then even the footer content, you can also edit the footer content. You don't want this, you just want to gurus files. So you can just edit it. Even your social media at the downside, you can see your social media. You can just come here and edit your social medias. The email template, SMS template. So we are done with this. So let's register an account. Okay, then let's just register an account. Let's see. Now I'll not put any referral code. Okay, let's agree. Let's create an account. Wow, you can see this wonderful backend. You can see how it looks like. You can see my bonus, how much I got for signing up. You can see my referral code. You can just copy it here. You can see all the schemas. You can choose from any options here. You can also see the scheme logs. That is one you've purchased. You can see all the transactions you've done in the website. You can see you can add money through any of the adding options which you've not set. So you can see the wallet exchange, any wallet you want to change from this. You want anyone you want to swap to. You can also send money. Yeah, account is not verified, whatever. So for instance, you want to go to account and normal settings, KYC. You want to go to the KYC, choose a KYC form. You start submitting, just choose something. Since I'm the admin, no. Let's just choose anything and submit. Okay, submitted. Now let's go to customers, all customers. Okay, I just want to show you the customer now. I want to first of all add money to this customer. Since I didn't put any methods, you can see the main wallet and the profit wallet. You can edit anything here. You can disable or enable anything for the customers. Okay, you can see all of their options here. So I want to add money, and you can also log in as a customer, send email to that particular customer. I want to add money. Okay, this is what I want to add. And you can also subtract money from their account. Sorry. Okay, one has been added. So the KYC, I want to approve the KYC, pending KYC. Okay, you can see it here. You can see the KYC. Okay, I don't know why the KYC just approved by itself, but it's supposed to be pending. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back. Okay, let's refresh this KYC page and see what it's telling us. Let's go to the main page and let's check for the KYC. You can see KYC verified. Okay, you can change your password also. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's see if the fund have been added. You can see the fund was added, and I can also the dots. You can see the fund was added. Okay, you can see. So guys, this site is just wonderful. It's crazy. It's amazing. Wow. If you want this script, please let me know in the link down below. Just let me know. Okay, there's a link down below. You click on the link if you want the script. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.